Surround Sound of Fashion is proud to present the 2017 Trendsetter Award to Dr. Walt Whitman, the creator of a world-class performance group called the Soul Children of Chicago. The purpose of the group was to utilize music as the motivator and catalyst to inspire young people throughout the world to have faith in themselves. To this day, the Soul Children of Chicago continue to serve the community as a non-denominational, non-profit educational organization enhancing the lives of our youth. Our city of Chicago has been hit with a dark cloud with violence. It's only fair to shine light on trendsetters such as Dr. Walt Whitman.